Hi there, Mike with Mexico Real Estate Solutions, back in Puerto Aventuras, and everybody likes when I talk about numbers, so here's some numbers for you. 6-7 minute walk to commercial zone, the beach, $209,000, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, no condominium HOA fees to pay, property taxes, $200-300 a year. So I'm looking out back. I got the par 3 pitch and putt course, Puerto Aventuras. Your space, if you care to use it, develop that. Put a plunge pool back here, why not? There's no condominium administration, only your neighbors to chat with. And looking left and right, I see people that put walls up, gardens up, beautiful mature trees. Already got some garden lights out here. You will get the toucans, you'll get the squirrels, you'll get the monkeys. Here's your lovely terrace. Great entry-level property. Gets you into the gates of Puerto Aventuras. Other units, other townhome units like this are selling $240, $250. So this is, I think, absolutely priced to sell. AC units, a great big AC unit for this space. Are new, like new condition. Great open living dining space. Shiny new kitchen countertops. If you want to do some cabinets below, by all means, go ahead. I've got some people who can help with that. We're gonna do some uppers. Same thing. You've got ensuite laundry and storage. Let's go on up. Townhome. So this building has only 4 units. At Puerto Aventuras, if you don't know it, you better call me, we'll tell you about it. Great full bath here. Sliding barn door, that's fun. Here's your guest bedroom. Again, new, like new, dual inverter AC unit, efficiency, closet space, cool mosaic patterns on the floor. You got the main or primary or master bedroom. Beautiful colors. Nice little Mexican ceramic touches everywhere. Another nice big walk-in shower here. Great texture on the walls. I really do think it feels good in this space. And then your main bedroom here. Great big king bed. And of course, as I say, every unit or every space with its own AC unit. That's it. That's quick, cute, cozy, 2-bed, 2-bath, 209 Puerto Aventuras. Your monthlies are next to nothing. What you're waiting for. Winter's coming. Want to spend more time in cold and snow? It's a great spot for you. Get in touch. Be happy to show it to you in person. Bye for now.